Welcome. Today we have Samsung A22 5G. I will show you how to remove FRP Google lock. Dismantle the back cover, and there we have test point on the motherboard. We need to short using tweezers. Connect test point to the ground like this. Now connect phone to the PC and choose in unlock tool erase FRP in the pre-loader mode. Now I connect test point and plug the USB cables.
Magnesy ze zdjęciami, punkty ładowania telefonów i wiele więcej. Dołącz do nas. Wyjątka tego roku zgarnij festiwalową kartę i koszulkę, której jutro ofiara. Zawsze lepiej z M-Bankiem.
As you can see, erasing FRP done. Now check the phone. Phone reboot. Skip the configuration. And done. There is no more lock on the phone. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time.